75% of our skin is comprised of water and collagen. Our skin is exposed to harsh UVA and UVB radiation, resulting in age spots, fine lines, and wrinkles. As we age, our bodies produce less and less collagen, leading to the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. Most anti-aging products use fragments of hydrolyzed collagen, containing molecules too large for the skin with conventional formulas. Gia Bennett Wrinkle Freezing Moisturizer's breakthrough formula delivers whole collagen molecules to the skin. This peptide-rich wrinkle cream is applied to the skin, rebuilding and rejuvenating the skin. Benefits of Gia Bennett Wrinkle Freezing Moisturizer: eliminates the look of dark circles. Restores nourishment in form of hydration to the under-eye area, removing puffiness. Reduces the appearance of wrinkles. The boost in collagen and elastin helps retain the skin's dermal structure, which results in a reduction of the look of fine lines. Enhances skin hydration. Active ingredients facilitate entrapping moisture, which in turn hydrates the skin and prevents cracking. Counters effects of stress. Boosts skin immunity and prevents damaging effects of free radicals. Eliminates debris that makes skin dull and discolored. Your skin is the largest organ on your body, but one of the most exposed. As a child, your skin is smooth, healthy and vibrant. But as we age, it can become wrinkled, saggy and discolored. Why? Our skin dries and loses its elasticity, as it is exposed to a host of factors which attack your skin, including age, wind, dryness, sun damage and free radicals. Each of these factors reduce our skin's ability to keep its elasticity and firmness. Age also leads to the loss and breakdown of collagen in the dermal layer of your skin. Collagen is key to provide structural support to your skin. As our bodies produce less, your skin begins to sag and wrinkle. Your best defense against these hostile factors is choosing the right skin care product that may help reduce visible signs of aging. Gia Bennett Wrinkle Freezing Moisturizer is just the solution. The new injection-free solution. Ever wonder how celebrities keep their skin looking so flawless and wrinkle-free? For porcelain-looking skin, celebrities look for anti-aging creams which give them the appearance of smooth, supple, wrinkle-free skin. Gia Bennett Wrinkle Freezing Moisturizer is your secret to radiant, beautiful skin that looks years younger. Don't endure the physical pain and expense of costly procedures and surgeries. Gia Bennett Wrinkle Freezing Moisturizer works naturally to help replenish your skin's moisture, firming its appearance, and restoring your natural glow to reveal a younger-looking you. Achieve visibly younger-looking skin. Gia Bennett Wrinkle Freezing Moisturizer supplies are limited. Get yours today. Click the link in the description below. If you like the video, then give the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information.